Okay, question number 19. We did this in class. I've got a little graph here drawn. This point here is negative 2, 26, and this point here is 10, 2. Okay, so it says let f of x be a differentiable function defined in the interval negative 2 to 10. The table below gives the values of f of x and its derivatives f prime of x at several points of the domain. And the question is the line tangent to the graph of f of x. So tangent means it's touching at some point and it's parallel at that same point, and parallel to the segment between the endpoints of f of x. Well, the endpoints are at negative 2 and 10, and the segment between the endpoints is this segment right here. So if it's parallel to that, I have to find the slope of that, right? Parallel to that segment, I'm thinking slope. So y2 minus y1, or 2 minus 26, over x2 minus x1, so 10 minus negative 2 is 10 plus 2, equals negative 24 over 12 equals negative 2. So, okay, I've got the slope as negative 2, but now to think about the other part of being tangent. So if the slope is negative 2, well, if it's going to be tangent at some point, then the slope of that function at that point needs to be negative 2. So I look and I see, oh, f prime of x is negative 2 at x equals 4. Okay, so that's where the line touches my graph. So I know that that point, which is 4, and then f of x is 23, is also on my line. Okay, so that's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this, whatever. The point is that I'll have something like this here, and my slope here is parallel, okay? And I know that this point exists. This is the point where I'm tangent, and I have to find where this line intersects the y-axis. Well, I know that this point exists on the line, and I have the slope, right? So I do point slope form. Y minus y1 is 23 equals, the slope is negative 2 times x minus x1 is 4. Okay, so I'll add 23 to both sides, and I get y equals negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8, plus 23 equals negative 2x plus 31. Here is my slope, here's my y-intercept is 31, so my answer is C, because obviously the x value at the y-intercept is going to be 0, so my point is 0, 31, and my answer is C. Hope you understood. See you in the next video.